Hello everyone, today I want to share a quick Hermes unboxing. I picked up the Bastia change purse in rouge de coeur with rose darling for the interior. My Bastia in noir is about 10 years old now, and the black epsom leather has held up really well. So I hope this new verso piece in chèvre will also stand the test of time. Although marketed as a change purse, I personally never used mine for coins. In more recent years, I've been using it for my keys, which means I reach for this piece on the daily. Cost per wear is very low, and the corners still look very good. I am so pleased with my original Bastia that I added this second one in a pop of color, with the interior matching my Calvi card holder, also in rose darling. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.